How to share screen on Google Meet in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to share your screen on Google Meet? Then you're in the right place. I'm going to teach you how to do it in few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, join your Google Meet, and then on the bottom you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll see an arrow icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This is your share screen icon. So once you tap on it, you'll see an pop-up asking if you want to share your screen. You can also choose to share your device's audio if you want to and hit continue. And then whatever you do on your screen will be visible to others as well. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.